everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 8th to the 12th of December 2025 on Monday. Joanne thinks they are working with the wrong crew. Sbu is surprised by Figile's gesture, which allows him to get more vulnerable with her. Lily and Mdova meet while she bonds with her father on Tuesday. How Enski cycle Perfeni, tempting him to hustle at the depot. In a tense confrontation, Clayton let the cat out of the bag. Figile and Sbu receive their blessings on Wednesday. Joanne runs straight into the arms of Nkunzi after Brendan kicks her out of the house for her infidelity. The flower spoils Boo and Figile with a toe. Prince tries to bring client to invest after current client want their money on Thursday. Princess Silver Tongue pacifies his investors' worries about the lack of payment. DK castices Njeza for wasting her time with his digging mission. Kazimulo reassures Ashley that none of her family turmoil is her fault on Friday. Ashley and Joanne bitter standoff cause a division between Kunzi and Kazimulo. Njeza's desperation is met with Nyawo's cold rejection, while Prince crumbles as Screwdriver and Mzozo corner him to give them back their money. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.